The father said to his daughter, "You graduated with honors. This is a car I bought many years ago. It's a little old now, but before I give it to you, take it to a used car dealer and have it appraised and see how much they will offer you for it." The daughter went to the used car dealer, came back to her father, and said, "They offered me $1,000 because they said it looked pretty old." The father said, "Now let's take it to the junkyard." The daughter went to the junkyard, came back to her father, and said, "The junkyard only offered $100 because it's an old car." The father told his daughter to go to a big car club and show them the car. The daughter then took the car to a big car club, came back and told her father, "Some people at the car club have offered $100,000 for it because it's a unique model. It's a famous car and a lot of classic car collectors were looking for it." Now the father said to his daughter, "The right place determines your true value. Don't be angry if you are not valued. It means you are in the wrong place. Only those who know your value value you. Never stay in a place where you are not valued. Don't force yourself to stay where you are not respected. Stay where you are valued."